Oh, hello there. Welcome to Cooking with Pertlight. You see, in the morning, you're always hungry for something. Well, why not have something that's perfect for everyone? Toast. Now, personally, I have a couple ways of making toast. I've never been a big fan of just one way or another. I always like to spice it up a little bit. So, when you're about to do this, you have probably about 2-3 options. Today we're going to be going over 3. Plain, buttered, my favorite, double buttered. Now, obviously you can't make toast without toast. So you can't just take some bread, toss it, and you got yourself some toast. It takes more skill than that. More importantly, what you need is your knife and your toaster. Are you scared?
Yes, please stop it. Please stop it. Stop it.
Now, first step is obviously take your bread and you get it ready for toasting. As I said at the beginning, we're going to be doing 3 different types of toast. We're going to need 3 slices of bread. Now, no matter what, you're going to want to do toast. That's the most important part. So you're going to take your bread, you're just going to throw it right on in there. Don't worry about the mess. I never do. After you got your toast in there, you just slide it right on down and you give it about 5 minutes. Obviously, after your toast is all up, you need to get some plates.
Forever it will die and break your heart, and you can't have a sexual awakening without tearing lives apart.
Now, obviously, you have 3 types of toast that you can make here. Now, you got regular, that one's all set and good to go. Now, we have another choice. That's buttered up, baby. So all you need is your vomit, slap it on there. After you got your vomit one, then you got peanut butter. It's the same process, man. Same thing. You just take your peanut butter, slap it on there, and you spread it. Now, some people like to get a little crazy, throw some jam on there. I'm not very jammy myself, but what can I say? I do like some jammies every once in a while. Now let's do some taste tests. First is regular. Yeah, regular, alright. Next you got buttered. Next you got peanut butter. And this one's personally always been my favorite. Specifically if you smear it after like that one. Now hopefully you guys enjoyed this little breakfast, but honestly, all in all, a day never goes by with you just eating breakfast. You gotta have a little snack in there. And let me tell you what, some of the best times to have a snack is while watching a movie. Man, I love this movie. But no movie is good without the popcorn. You see, at the beginning of the day, we made sure we made toast. You know, it's a good, nice breakfast to have. Now, at night, you gotta have something else. You gotta have a snack. And especially when you're watching a movie as intense as this one, it's gotta be buttery, tasty. And you know, one of the best snacks that is salty, buttery, just delicious, and it's specifically great when you want to watch a movie, it's a little something called popcorn. Now, bad news, fellas and ladies. Now the bad news is that I don't actually have any real popcorn, because personally, as a professional chef as I am, you always want to get the wild popcorn. It can be hiding just about anywhere. It's really hard to find. You really got to keep your eye. Oh, would you look at that? So once you got your wild popcorn, what you need to do is very simple. You take a pot, any pot really, as long as you can get a popcorn. This one will work a doozy. You place it down, you turn your oven on, and you butter that sucker up. Once you get your pan nice and buttered up, this part's where things get a little intense. Take your bag, wild popcorn, you gotta be very careful. This part gets kind of intense. Looks like actual feces. That looks like fecal matter. Wild popcorn, you just dump it right on in there.
Mix it up.
Oh god. Wait, look out. Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
They're popping out.
Oh no, it's my knife. While your popcorn is popping, you need to get yourself a little thing of garlic salt. Now, this stuff's pretty great. It's salt that tastes kind of garlicky. It's pretty gas-tastic. Obi. Look at that. Oh my god. Throw it back in. Once you get your garlic salt, go and shake it up, make sure there's no clumps of salt. Open it up, and get ready for hell. Now, after a long day of work, you finally are able to watch, some great old movie, probably Charlie's Angels. Now that you're able to, finally veg out, why not have some great old Pertlight flavored popcorn? And let me tell you what, it's above average.
The only way to dull life's pain is get stoned out of your mind. Woo! Life is a fucked up mess. Life is a fucked up mess. Oh, it's a shit show. Never share your feelings or life will kick you in the face.
Sometimes everything moves so fast you throw up all over the place.
Children grow up and abandon you to die broken and alone.